right, just want to show you a quick video of the Vecoplan here. Beautiful unit. Marked new in 2022 unit. But this was never installed until 2025. And it was new to Cheney here. And it was installed in March of last year. Got your Infeed conveyor here. There's also this roller conveyor. You're more than welcome to have that with the Vecoplan. Again, nice, beautiful unit there. Only a year old. I will also show you separate on this, I'll show you what they had on their desk list, which we are selling separate. Does not go with the Vecoplan, but if you're interested, I'll show you that. Coming over to the first system here, this is a AFE equipment there. Collector there, catch a lot of the heavier stuff there. Then as they come around, it comes into this blower here, and that's lot 259, and then it comes over here and puts it into the torque dust collectors. These are lots 257 and 258 if you're interested in those. So those will be sold separately from the Vecoplan, but you're more than welcome to purchase them. We'll pop back over here real quick and I'll show you the controls. The controls for this Vecoplan. We're in a separate room here. We'll pop in here real quick. There's your control panel. There's some accessories there. There you go. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us and we'll try to answer them for you.